the site which was launched just yesterday, that's Fresh Mula. Today I've made a withdrawal on the site and it has reflected in my mobile money straight. Okay, so if you keep doubting, let me just tell you that this website is really paying. That's Fresh Mula, and the only thing you have to do is to just perform tasks as well as referring others on the new website. Okay, that's affiliate marketing and networking business that we are all in. This is an online money making platform, so you can also join. Okay, so if you have not joined this new website, just check the video description there. I pasted the website link there. Just click on the link to register or create an account and register and activate your account with sister series and also unlock the magic of earning on this new website, which is really paying. That is the Fresh Mula. Okay, without wasting my time, let me quickly take you to my phone to know step-by-step process on how I used to withdraw from this new website. That is a withdrawal proof of 752 cedis from this website. Now let's get started. So when you check here, you can see this is the income that I have and my total wallet balance here. I want to withdraw this money. Okay, so you can see this is the money that I've earned on YouTube, on TikTok, and also that of the quizzes. So what I have to do is to go to the top left corner, the menu icon there. I click there and click on the withdraw button. Then here there's a fee of 5 cedis which will be deducted from the amount that you withdraw. So you can, here you see withdraw through, then I select the payment method, that is MTN. Then here I select the amount I want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw 362 cedis. Okay, then I click. After that, then I click on the withdraw button here to withdraw, and you see it says your withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. You will be notified. So here it will be, once it is paid to my mobile money, then it will just come here. So you can see within a couple of minutes my amount has been deposited to my account and it is in my mobile money wallet. Okay, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, so do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here is the talk tech, that is the talk of the